In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in library in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your files are safely added and ready whenever you need them. First, look to the left side of your screen for the main sidebar. This is the hub that houses your primary navigation. If your window is small, the sidebar may be partially collapsed. Hover over or expand it so you can see the options clearly. Next, click on More. This expands a set of additional tools and areas you might not use every day, but are essential when you need them. From that expanded list, select Library. The library is your centralized place for storing files so you can access them later without having to re-upload or search your computer again. Once you're in the library, you have two simple ways to add a file. The quickest is to drag and drop. Open your computer's file window, find the document you want to add, and click and drag it directly into the library area. When you hover over the library page, you should see a visual cue that it's ready to accept the file. Release the mouse, and the upload will begin automatically. If you prefer a guided approach, use the Upload button. Click Upload, and your system's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your file lives, select the file, and confirm. The upload starts right away. Either method works the same, so choose the one that feels easiest. While the file uploads, give it a moment to complete. Larger files may take longer depending on your internet speed. Avoid closing the tab or navigating away until you see the file appear in your library list. Once it's there, you're done. Your file is now stored and ready to be used when needed. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the file name is clear so you can recognize it later. If drag and drop doesn't respond, try the Upload button instead. If an upload seems stuck, wait a bit and check your connection before trying again. And always avoid uploading anything that contains sensitive information you don't intend to store. That's all there is to it. Left sidebar, More, Library, then either drag and drop your file or click Upload and choose it. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your files in your library.